Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix emojis are not showing on iPhone keyboard. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and having this type of problem that emojis are not showing on your keyboard, I'll help you how to get all the emojis. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of general. You have to click on this, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you can see the option of keyboard. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you need to scroll it down. And guys, you will see here is the option of emojis, and over you can see stickers. So guys, if it is off you have to make it on, and after doing this your emojis will be showing on your keyboard. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is error on your iOS version. So guys, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, how can you do this? You have to scroll it down or scroll it up. Here is the option of software update. You need to click on this tab. And guys, if you will find any update here, then guys simply you need to click on update now. And guys, after this your iPhone will be updated to latest iOS version. And guys, after this all the bugs will be fixed on your iPhone. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.